As at now, we have 29 letters in OGU alphabet. Normally, we're supposed to have 30 letters, but right now we have 29 letters in the OGU alphabet. So the one that is missing in subsequent videos, I will explain the sound that is missing, that is not yet represented in the OGU alphabet. So as you can see on the screen, these are the letters that we currently have. So if you have any objection, if you have any contrary opinion to the letters that we have on the screen right now, feel free to reach out to me. And secondly, I've written an article on it. I wrote a post on it recently. So if you want to check the description, you'll find the link to that particular post. Read up on it, and I hope that clarifies your doubts or your questions. Thank you. So let's dive in. So the first letter there is pronounced A, A, as we have it in father. Even though